Hi! Today we're going to learn about the two types of variables in statistics. So, in today's video we're going to learn about the two types of variables in statistics. So, in statistics, the variables aren't what they are in most other maths, which is x, y, and then z, and then after that. There are two main types of variables, and they are quantitative variables and categorical variables. So these basically define types of values. So quantitative variables are variables that have values which are numbers. So variables with values that are numbers. Whoops, that's not how you spell numbers. So, let me give you guys an example. An example would be, let's say, 62 years old. 62 years. Now, categorical variables are different. So these are the variables that we can categorize, hence categorical. So we could also say these are variables with values. These aren't exactly values, but let's just say they are values. So with values that are categories. So not that can be categorized, but with values that are categories. So let me give you an example of these. For ages, like in the example above, we can have old, whoops, that's not how you spell old, old or young. Another example are the colors. So we could have red, blue, and green. And so these are categories in themselves. And so that's why they're categorical variables. So these are variables with values that are categories. So I'm going to give you some examples and try and see if you can identify what type of variables there are. And so this will be pretty simple. So let's say there are 5 cars. Well, 5 cars would be quantitative variables because we have a certain number of cars. Now let's say that we have a parking lot full of cars and they're of different brands. So we have the brands Honda and let's say Ford are the only ones in there. So Honda and Ford would be categorical variables because they are categories. So those are the two main types of variables that we have in statistics. Thank you for watching this video.